Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit Salesforce Lightning record pages. This is a powerful way to customize your Salesforce interface, allowing you to tailor record layouts to match your team's workflow and display the most relevant information exactly where you need it. To get started, navigate to any record in your Salesforce environment. For this example, let's go to Contacts and select an account record. This will open the record page that we're about to customize. Once you're viewing the record, look up to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. This is your setup icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Edit Page. This action takes you into the Lightning App Builder, which is where all the magic happens for customizing your record pages. Now you'll see the Lightning App Builder interface, which consists of three main areas. On the left side, you'll find a panel filled with components that you can add to your page. The middle section is your canvas, showing a preview of how your record page currently looks. And on the right side, you'll see the Properties panel, which allows you to configure any component you select. Let's start adding some components to make this page more functional. From the left panel, drag the component you want to use onto the canvas. For instance, you might want to drag the Highlights panel component into the header region of your page. This component is great for displaying key fields at the top of your record for quick reference. Once you've placed a component on the canvas, you can customize its settings. Simply select the component by clicking on it, and immediately the right panel will populate with all the properties you can adjust. Here you can modify various settings depending on the component type. For example, if you've added a tabs component, you might want to change the tab label to something more specific, like custom, to better reflect the content it contains. This level of customization helps create a more intuitive user experience for everyone accessing these records. After you've arranged your components and configured their properties to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Click the Save button located in the top right corner of the Lightning App Builder, but saving isn't quite the final step because we need to activate this page so users can actually see your changes. Next, click on the Activation button, which you'll find near the Save button. This opens a dialog where you can control exactly how and where this customized page appears. Navigate to the App, Record Type, and Profiles tab, then select Assign as Org Page. This is an important step because it determines the scope of your customization. Here, you'll need to select the form factors that you want your org default page to be available for. You have the flexibility to choose desktop, phone, or both, depending on how your team accesses Salesforce. If your users frequently work on mobile devices, you'll definitely want to include phone as an option to ensure they see your optimized layout. After making your form factor selections, click Next, then click Save to finalize the activation settings. You'll be presented with a review screen that shows you a summary of your assignments. Take a moment to verify everything looks correct, then click Save one more time to confirm and apply all your changes. Now comes the moment of truth. Navigate back to your original record page and refresh it. You should immediately see all the modifications you just made reflected in the layout. Your components will be positioned exactly where you placed them, and any custom labels or settings will be active and visible. And that's it. You've successfully customized a Salesforce Lightning record page to better serve your organization's needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.